Wants to talk, but you're not gonna listen. Make it seem that we have a choice. It's not that easy. You just can't grant us favors. If you turn words around, well, it's an assault. You want complete control, as long as we don't know. You want complete control. Don't let the others know. You got complete control, as long as we don't know. You want complete control. Don't let the others know. Tell me again how I have my freedom. You get your say and will compromise. Business is fun.